my dear YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun and hopefully very useful video for you. After I uploaded my unboxing video of this gorgeous Birkin 25 in the color Craig with rose gold hardware, a lot of you guys messaged me and asked whether I can do a quick comparison video of all the 3 Birkins I own. The answer is absolutely yes. Some of you are also curious to know how I was able to score 3 Birkins within 6 months. So today I'm going to share everything with you, where and how I score each bag, how hard it is to get a Birkin, especially in the size 25 from your local boutique. And I'm also going to share a few tips with you in case you are playing the game and you're waiting for your dream bag. So without further ado, let's get started. I know you might ask, you have 2 Birkins, you have 1 Constance. Why don't you get a Kelly and so you have the whole family, the BKC family? Well, I guess my answer is I just love the look and I love the design of the Birkin. I think it's so casual, so effortless. I just love the design of the bag. And out of the 3 Birkins I own, 2 are in the famous Togo leather. So I would say like this is my favorite leather on a Birkin because it is really, I don't know, casual and has like this slouchy feeling. Although you don't really need to worry too much about Togo leather or Birkin losing its shape if it is in the smaller size. So for example, size 25, I would say it keeps its structure pretty well after, 1 year of use. I got this Ebin colored Birkin 25 last November during Thanksgiving. And I carried this in all type of weather. So I brought it out when it was rainy and I think it's pretty carefree. So you just need to wipe things off and then so it's still look brand new. The leather is super durable and I don't think it has any vein on my Birkin in the Ebin color. I do see a little bit of the veining on my Craig colored Birkin, but I think it just makes the bag even more special because the veins will just like add more personality to the bag. So compared to the Togo leather, my red Birkin or my geranium Birkin actually comes in the TN leather. So the TN leather, as I explained in my unboxing video, is a new leather introduced in 2015. I would say this is a great combination of Togo leather with maybe Swift leather because it also has like, like this, I don't know, like very durable feeling to the bag or to the leather. But at the same time, if we compare this to Togo, Togo has like this matte finish versus TN leather has this like super soft and buttery feeling. So if you feel the leather, it's like super soft and buttery. I would say like this is definitely my second favorite leather from Hermes. Maybe because I own them, so I'm biased. Okay, and as for the hardware, so it's so funny because when I got my Constance, it is in the silver hardware. And I told my essay, oh, I don't want silver anymore. I really wanted, a gold or like rose gold color hardware on my Birkins. And so how funny that all 3 Birkins I own are in either gold or rose gold. So that's a dream come true. So for the first 2 Birkins in color Ebin and geranium, so these 2 are in, the gold plated color. So you see like the gold color is more yellow. So it has like this darker yellowish tone. Versus for the rose gold hardware, so it's much lighter, and you see like this has a little bit like pinkish undertone to the hardware. So let me do like a closer side-to-side comparison. See, I would say like the gold hardware is more yellow and it has this like darker color versus rose gold is just like much lighter. It's very similar to champagne gold hardware. And so let me try them on to show how it looks on me. I usually carry the bags on the crick of my arm. I think this is like my favorite way of carrying it. I know like some people complain like how Birkins, they don't have a strap, so you have to like hold it by hand. For me, I don't have any problem like, you know, holding it on the crick of my arm. I don't think it will get stuck in the middle. I just feel like super comfortable like carrying it, the bag like so. And even when I'm wearing like watch or like bracelet, I don't feel like it will bother me when I carry the bag. Yeah, I think it's just like really cute. Oh, I'm wearing a little black dress on purpose so that it matches with all the colors. So as you see, like the ebony color is my most, you know, worn Birkin 25. I think because it's a darker and neutral color, it goes well with everything. Versus for the red Birkin, I think you have to like match it with certain color of clothes. For example, I wouldn't wear it with green. Otherwise, I'll become a Christmas tree. So that's why a lot of people are chasing after, you know, neutral color, such as, you know, like the gray color or white color, black, you know, gold or a taupe color or like the grayish color. For me, I'm really happy that I got like this red Birkin because, you know, like it always adds to, you know, a pop of color to your whole outfit. So see, like red really goes well with the black color. I also match it with, you know, a white t-shirt and also my shorts, and they go perfectly together. So I think, you know, having Birkins in different colors really is definitely a luxury or privilege. And by the same time, like you can kind of like match it with the different outfits. So I'm really happy with my collection right now because I have a dark color Birkin. I have a bright color Birkin. So in case I'm feeling super happy that day and I want to go, you know, play with very bold colors. And I also have like a light color Birkin. So for this like gray color Birkin, I think it's perfect for summertime, for spring or summer. So in case you want to wear some really light color like light green, like pink, or any other like bolder color on your outfit, you can never go wrong with this gray color Birkin 25. Yeah, cool. So those are, yeah, that's how they look on me. And so I'm sure most of you are also curious about the story and how I score each bag. So I'm going to share where I got this bag from. So for my ebony color Birkin and my gray color Birkin, I got them both from Hawaii. And because of COVID, they do, you know, shipping or phone order. So I was like really fortunate. My friend recommended a fabulous sales associate to me, and she was super helpful, and she was able to help me get both of these Birkins plus my Constance. So this Constance is my first you know, Hermes bag, and I just absolutely adore it. I think it really goes well with my overall lifestyle. And if I don't want to, you know, if I don't want to carry the bag with me, so if I need something with a strap, so this is my go-to bag. And it is in the Epsom leather. So as you see, like this is like more of the stamped leather, versus like Togo is more of a, has like the natural vibe. And yeah, it is just like very carefree and can kind of like free your hands, you know, when you go shopping. And some people ask whether I will regret getting the Constance after I own my Birkin. The answer is absolutely no. I think the Constance is the perfect travel bag if you want to go travel, and you can easily pack it in your suitcase. And it's just like a very functional bag, and then you can wear it, you know, multiple ways. For example, you can wear it single strap or double strap. You know, it just like looks perfectly on whether a dress or if you want to go casual. So I never regret getting this bag, and I think this will be a forever piece in my collection. However, I do want to remind you that the price point between these two are very similar. So retail wise, I think a Constance is like 7,800 something, versus like the Birkin is a little bit less than 10,000. So the price difference between these two is roughly around 2,000 US dollar. So it's very minimal, and But I know, like, I don't regret getting the Constance because I use this and I reach for this bag a lot. Okay, going back to story time. So after I got this Ibing Birkin 25 from Hawaii, I was like, oh man, I really wish I have like a brighter color Birkin. Because of course, like for neutral color like Ibing, it doesn't go wrong with anything, right? But at the same time, I just wanted to be more fun, you know, especially after when, like, you know, spring is here and summer is coming. I was like, it doesn't make sense for me to carry, you know, neutral bag or like a darker color bag when it's summertime. And you know, back then I owned 2 neutral bags. So obviously the gold color Constance and the Ibing color Birkin. So that's why, like, I was like, if I can, you know, have the luck to get a brighter color Birkin, it would be perfect. So that happened when I visited Vegas. So if you haven't watched my unboxing video of this baby, please go follow the link up here. Yeah, so I think this was a very pleasant surprise. When I went to Vegas, I checked out all 3 stores. And it was amazing that Vegas has 3 Hermes stores in one city. Yeah, and then I got it from Wayne. And I also met a fabulous sales associate, and then she told me like the only small size Birkin she has is in the geranium hardware. I didn't know which color it was, so I googled it and I thought it was a perfect red color, and it is the true red color that I was like going for. And I was like, of course, yeah, I would love to get that bag. And then so kind of like spent 2 hours the next day in the store, and I bought this bag plus a bunch of other stuff. So more detailed story are available in that unboxing video. And moving on to this baby, I still can't believe that I own this baby today, because God knows how hard it is to get a Birkin in the color Craig. I think Craig maybe is the most popular color from Hermes at the moment. And the fact that it comes with rose gold hardware just makes this bag super precious, highly sought after bag, and super hard to get. And but my sales associate, like, there's one day she called me and she's like, I have a surprise for you, and it is a Birkin in the color Craig. And was like, oh my gosh, I really couldn't believe that. And obviously after I scored my Birkin in Ibing, I've been waiting for this bag for almost 6 months. So this was purchased in November 2020, and I got this bag offered in May 2021. So yeah, 6 months, and then I was lucky enough to score this baby. And yeah, I feel like I'm very, very happy with my Hermes collection right now. And if you were to ask any tip, my suggestion is like, before you really commit to one store or like one boutique or one sales associate, do your research and really, you know, kind of talk to that sales associate who's helping you to make sure that you two really click. Because I think having a very good sales associate is the most important thing if you want to have like a pleasant, you know, Hermes journey. And you know, you need to have a sales associate that understands your taste, the bag that you're looking for. And what I like about my, you know, sales associate, whether it's like the one in Hawaii or Vegas, is that they never push me to buy anything that I don't like. So that's the second tip. You know, sometimes you feel, oh, should I buy something, you know, so that it's not, it doesn't feel like, you know, I don't have any purchase history, and it shows that I'm a committed customer. Yes, they do check your, you know, purchase history before they offer you a bag. But I think if you were to do that, if you were to buy something from the store just for the sake of the bag, you wouldn't get that much joy when you score the bag. Because like, I believe like the other little stuff that you purchase from the store, whether it's a pair of shoes, some jewelries, or even like a scarf or twilly, I think you just need to, you have to enjoy it, right? they're not, you know, cheap. Like those are very expensive items, especially the ones from Hermes. So I think, yeah, definitely, you know, never buy things that you don't like. I'm sure like Hermes is like always innovating with newer designs, and I'm sure it's easy to find things that you like. So if, you know, you feel like you're forced to buy something that you absolutely hate, maybe switch a store or switch like the sales associate will be the best option for you. And last but not least, be patient. That's just something I learned from my experience so far. Because if you are, you know, impatient and you just want the bag, it is quite obvious. And oftentimes like shipments, when they come, even your sales associate might not have the bag that you're looking for, or like the specific color or like hardware combination that you're looking for. So if you're already spent like 10,000 bucks on a bag, why don't you just wait for a little bit and just wait for the one that you absolutely like? So that those are the 3 tips I have. You know, like find the essay that you really click with. Buy things that you absolutely like. So never buy things that you don't like from the store. And third, be patient and wait for your dream bag to come in the store. Right, so that's my Hermes journey and some of the tips that I want to share with you if you are waiting for your dream bag from Hermes. I hope you enjoyed today's video and find it helpful. And if you have any other questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll be always happy to answer them. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!